Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making yummy and authentic Norwegian food, which is known as Fårikål. Though this one I'll be making it with a twist of African seasoning. So I will be adding onion and garlic. I have some seasoning cube and bay leaf. This is the seasoning cube that I'm using, star Maggi. And I will also be using some peppercorn like Norwegians do. So this is the peppercorn that I will be using, and I will be using some salt. Norwegians cook this with only salt and peppercorn, but for me, now I can't eat food with only salt and pepper. So cabbage will also be going in. But the first thing we add into the pot is the lamb leg. I will follow it up with some peppercorn, some bay leaf, some seasoning cube or seasoning powder, onion and garlic, and of course some salt to taste. And I'll be putting some chili powder. This is very spicy chili powder. I will stir it to combine everything together perfectly well, just like so. And I will steam it first. I will cover and steam for at least 10 minutes so that the meat will bring out the juice. After 5 minutes, I will stir it to make sure that it is not burning. I will cover it again for another 5 minutes and cook on a medium heat till the juice starts coming out, just like so. It is perfectly seasoned. I will give it a stir. Please, if you are watching up till now, why not give this video a thumbs up and also leave your comments below. Now add water to the level of the meat or the content of the pot, just like so. Do not add too much water. You can add water as the spirit leads. You can even add lesser water, but this is a cold weather recipe, so you need water to drink your cold away. Then I've cut the cabbage into big chunks like this. I will add the cabbage on top of it, just like so. Then after adding the cabbage, the next thing you do is to cover the pot and allow it to do the magic. Cook this thing on a low heat for a total of 2 hours. You can cook it for even 3 hours if you want the meat to fall off the bone, but I don't like a very soft meat, so I cooked mine for just 2 hours and voila, it is ready. You enjoy it with your potato. You can see how the meat is easily cutting and escalating, so the meat is perfectly cooked. If you want it to be so soft, please cook it for 3 hours. I cooked mine for 2 hours and I will enjoy this with my potato. That is the way Norwegians eat it. So if you love this video, if you enjoy watching, please give this video a thumbs up, connect with me and share my video with your friends, your family and your loved ones, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Will you be trying it out? This is a spring recipe here in Norway. This is a type of food that they enjoy very much in spring weather. Thank you for watching. Bye.